Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your pins on Pinterest. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to do this on both PC and mobile, starting with PC. Open the board that the pin you want to delete is in. Hover over the pin that you want to delete, then click on the pen icon at the top left to get to the edit options. Click delete from the bottom left. Then tap delete again to confirm. If you have the pin fully open, then you need to click on the pen icon, which is to the right of the image at the top of the screen. In the editing section, click on delete at the bottom left. Click delete pin on the pop-up to finalize the deletion. Your pin has been deleted. I will now show you how to delete pins on the Pinterest mobile app. Open the board that the pin you want to delete is in. Hold down on the pin you want to delete and then slide your finger to the pen icon to get to the editing options. Tap delete, then tap delete again. Alternatively, open up the pin that you want to delete. Then tap the three dots button in the bottom right corner. Select Edit Pin from the options. Then tap Delete. Tap Delete again to confirm. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Pinterest tips and tricks.